Question number 3 is written as what are the documents to verify the existence of a sales transaction. Below 4 different documents are written, but we have to identify which documents indicate that the sales event has actually occurred, meaning which documents are issued after the sales has taken place. Number 1, delivery note. This document is issued after the sale has taken place, as is evident from the name that when goods are to be delivered to the customer, then this is issued. So we can absolutely say that this document supports the existence of a sales transaction. Number 2, price quotation. This document is issued before the sale takes place, meaning the customer asked for the price of the product, then this document was issued. So this document does not support the existence of a sales transaction, right? Number 3, sales invoice. This document is issued after the sale has taken place, and it acts as primary evidence for the sales transaction. And it is also requesting payment from the customer. So this document supports the existence of a sales transaction. Number 4, sales order. This document is basically the customer's order form, and it shows the intention to buy, but it does not tell that the sale has occurred. So this document also does not support the existence of a sales transaction. So number 1 and number 3 are supporting documents. So the correct option is option B. I just hope you understand.